How to do it on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about creating a duet on TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device and it's updated to the latest version. To check, you can go to Play Store, search for TikTok application, and if you see an update button instead of open over here, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. Now come back, open your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. For example, I'll use this video and then click on the share button in the bottom of the screen. Slide horizontally among the different options of report, not interested, cast, why this video, captions, add to story, and there you will see the duet option that we are looking for. It is between add to story and stitch option, so simply tap on it and the video will load and you'll be ready to create your duet. It's that easy. So this is exactly how you can do it on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.